Welcome to Breath of Life, revitalizing body and soul through pranayama. Discover the transformative power of pranayama practice. In a world filled with hustle, pranayama offers a sanctuary for body revitalization and soul rejuvenation. Explore the ancient techniques that harmonize breath and movement, fostering a profound sense of well-being. Join the journey towards holistic health as we delve into the essence of pranayama's benefits for mind, body, and spirit. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic flow of breath, a gateway to inner peace and vitality. Through pranayama, unlock the secrets of deep relaxation and rejuvenation, paving the way for a balanced life. Feel the energy coursing through your being, revitalizing every cell and restoring harmony within. In the tranquility of your breath, find a sanctuary where stress dissipates and clarity emerges. Let each inhale infuse you with vitality, and each exhale release tensions, creating a symphony of balance.